What is the plenitude of life? The plenitude of life is to know who you are, to discover your talents, your gifts, your resources, to outreach for your purpose in life, to know that you have a Father and that He's waiting for you, and that you can come to His house anytime. I enjoyed everything that He's had for you. I am Pastor Josefina Cespedes. I invite you that together we can explore everything that the Lord has stored for you to fulfill your purpose in life, for you to find this happiness, that peace that you are looking for. Here, we can explore that together, and here I can help you to get there.